On the previous video, we talked about how to get Gmail on your mobile phone and also the features that you're going to find on your Gmail account. Let's head over to the left sidebar of your Gmail. What you're looking at is the variety of features that are available for you to use on your Gmail account. The first feature on the top of the list is your inbox with a notification of 1. The notification simply means that you have one message on your account. The notification is there as an indicator to alert you that you have one unread message on your account. What does this mean? This simply means that a user or somebody across the world has sent you a message, particularly directly to you. The user, with your email address at hand, they have used one of their email programs to send you a direct email straight to your inbox. Gmail is a service provider. It allows you to have your own private email. With your own private email, you can then receive email messages from anywhere in the world. Just imagine anyone from any country can send you an email directly to your inbox, but only if they have your email address. Now, you don't want to go and publicly list your email address. Of course, this is a bad thing to do. If you have an email address, it should only be given to people that you trust and the people in your network of business and the people that are actually going to give you valuable information that otherwise will cost you a lot of money to get physically, but you wouldn't want to be traveling 3,000 miles just to get a copy of your CV or a particular document. You would ask that person to send you an email, particularly attaching that CV as a scanned document. The person can send you that CV using the email attachment, then addressing that email to your email address. Our inbox notification shows us that we have one unread email. The next step for us to do, previously we discussed, is that you have to look at the subject of the email. You also have to look at the recipient that sent you the email within the primary tab. The next thing to look at is the importance of the email. The email is not flagged. It doesn't contain any foreign symbols or anything like that. And also, it does not have an indicator that the email is new. Although it is marked bold, but it does not have the indicator to show you that the email is new. So the next step to do at this very moment, after getting notified by Gmail that you have one unread email, you need to take caution before opening your email. Now, Google would normally give you a slight warning or a big notification warning pertaining any emails that you receive for security reasons that we'll cover later in the course. On the next video, we'll look at the email message.